Hey everybody, this is Brandon with American Diesel, and what you see here next to me is a Ford F350 with the 6.0 liter in it, '07 model. We just recently purchased it. This engine has already had a stud kit put in it and EGR deleted. The issue though is it appears to have a blown head gasket. So what we intend on doing now is opening it up and figuring out why it has a blown head gasket despite being studded. So that's what we're going to start diving into, and hopefully you follow.
If you do it, it's about to pour oil all over the place. If there's oil in this reservoir. If there's oil in here, it's about to go everywhere. I just told it better not be.
Alright, so now that we got the engine out, we went ahead and took the heads off because we were looking for any evidence of a blown head gasket. In which case we did find, right here, it's probably hard to see in the film, but we found a blown head gasket in between cylinders 4 and 6 on the driver's side. So at this point, we're just going to go take the heads, we're going to pressure check them, magnaflux them, make sure that there's no cracks. Hopefully there's no cracks. And we're also going to make sure that they're within the warp spec, and if not, we should be able to resurface them, so that's no big deal. Whenever we purchased this truck, we knew that this was an issue. We knew the issue beforehand, but that didn't really bother us too much because we knew we also had the capabilities and facilities to make the repair. So really the only thing that we're hoping for now is the heads are not cracked, and we could get away with an easier, less expensive repair. So stay tuned for that.